We're having a fight. Let's go.
Woohoo!
What?
Oh, fuck.
I'm recording.
Hi!
Hi.
Yes.
They're fighting. I'm recording it for my YouTube. They're on YouTube.
Boo.
Well, terrible.
Kobe, you can get Kobe. It's like. Oh shit.
It just got real up in here.
Holy fuck. That was brutal. What's the kid?
It's got a low battery.
Doesn't matter, just click OK.
Why isn't it?
You're not fuck.
Ready, set, go.
Ding ding ding. Come on, he'll give you some easy shots. He'll give you some easy shots. I just gotta turn this way. Oh, you wasted the shot. Oh, fuck this. Punch him, Kobe! He doesn't care. Oh, fuck. Ah, shit. Wee, ow. Kobe, punch him! Mouth him!
Move out the way.
I'm not in yet, I'm just in there. No, I'm just in front. Go! Ben! Come on! See this. Kobe. Kobe, come. Oh! I'm not fighting. I'm running. I want to see a hit from Kobe. I want to see a couple hits from Kobe. Oh, shit! Oh, crap! Kobe, when you say time out, when you need. Thank you, Kobe. Trust me, Kobe gets pretty good. Oh, don't elbow. No, I didn't. Also, when I was going in from behind. Oh, cool. Hey, you gotta be careful. Yeah, I know, that's what I mean. You guys, you both This one fucking hit. Give him a front hit.
Hey, you got the first one at the start.
He bumped you though, you didn't know. It's his fault. Hey, remember the block, remember what pulled it. That's how I would have kept when he was belting behind. Yeah, but when he did that, I went like that because he said belting his head. Fuck. Ah, shit, fuck.